Hey everyone, I'm back with a new video showing you how to bleach the knots of your closure or frontal. So first you get a bowl. I used a plastic bag over my bowl just to make sure it didn't get messed up. And I did use the BW2 bleaching powder. I used 2 scoops of it, and I used about 2 to 3 ounces of 40 volume developer. So in this clip, you'll see me stirring it, and you'll see me making sure that the consistency is how I want it. You want to make sure it's thick but not runny, because you don't want it to seep through your closure and onto the actual hair. So now I'm going to go in with the mixture and I'm going to apply it to my closure. I'm using a plastic fork. Make sure you're not using anything metal. You can use whatever material you want to use. And I'm just going to apply it to the closure evenly and make sure that every part of the closure is coated. As you can see, I'm taking my time to make sure I'm really applying it everywhere. The last thing you want to do is bleach your knots and have parts that are not bleached. If you've watched other videos, you've probably seen other people put their hair inside of aluminum foil to process. You can do that method, however, you're more likely for your hair to become over-processed and burnt, so I just laid it in a clean, dry area. Okay, so after about 10 minutes, I went in with my fork and I scraped just a little bit of the mixture off the closure just to see if the knots look like they were bleaching at all. I could tell if they were bleaching if I could see all the black dots as easily as I could before. I did notice they were starting to get lighter, so I just placed it back down, added mixture to the spot that I wiped it off of, and just let it continue to process. In total, I let the hair process for about 20 to 25 minutes before I took it off. In this clip, I'm just beginning to wash out the bleach off my closure. I haven't added any products yet, but I will go in with the shampoo, conditioner, and the shimmer lights later. So I went in with the Shimmer and Light shampoo to remove the brassiness of the knots, and then I used the Dark and Lovely Damage Slayer shampoo, and I used the Suave Natural conditioner, and I washed it like I would anything else. This is the closure after rinsing with no product. For the record, I did let the Shimmer and Light shampoo sit on the closure for about 5 minutes. I wasn't exactly sure how long it would take, but I just wanted to make sure that it wasn't going to be orange because I did not want no orange part. Just washed and bleached the closure. You can kind of see right here that, you can see that the hair is clearly tinted now. And I'm going to just show you on my skin how it looks. I really don't like this middle part, so I'm going to show you in a different area, because the lace itself, I don't think it gave me an option to actually choose the color of the lace, so it's way too light for my skin tone personally. Let me see, I'm trying to show you. Okay, so I'm sure y'all have seen someone put a closure on their arm and be like, scalp. Let me tell you, it is not easy to get a closure in that position, okay? I tried my best. I took a picture of my arm, and I had a little bit of luck, so, you know. And that is how I bleached the closure for my hair. Stay tuned for the video of how I constructed the wig. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.